Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to order Aldi groceries on Instacart. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and open your Instacart application and make sure that you enter your address to confirm that delivery or pickup is available. You're going to do that by clicking on the top left icon right over here, entering your location. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and browse categories right over here. You can also simply go ahead and add items for cart. So for example, let's just say I'm gonna go ahead and search Aldi right over here, and then select Aldi on the top over here and then purchase anything from it. It is as simple as that. As you can see, it's currently not available in my area, but as you can see, there is an Aldi option. So just simply go ahead and click on that and then order it from it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.